Good morning. I am Mr. Dijan Kumar Sakia, and I am ready with my micro teaching on the topic related to sonnet. Especially it is named as sonnet and its origin. Sonnet is a poem that consists of 14 lines. It was originated in Italy. An Italian poet, Petrarch is considered to be the creator of sonnets. And this form of sonnet was introduced by Petrarch in Italy. A Petrarchan sonnet can be divided into two parts. First 8 lines, this is called octave, and the second 8 lines is called sestet. Petrarch always presents his problem in the octave, that is in the first 8 lines, and in the sestet, that means in the last 6 lines, he always tries to present the solution he faced in the octave. Then gradually sonnet was brought to England by Surrey and White. And in Shakespeare's hand, sonnet got its culmination. Altogether, Shakespeare composed 154 sonnets. However, a Petrarchan sonnet can be distinguished from a Shakespearean sonnet. Whereas Petrarch divided his sonnets into 2 parts, that is octave and sestet, Shakespearean sonnet has 4 parts. The first 4 lines is called first quatrain, second 4 lines is called second quatrain, third 4 lines is called third quatrain. And a Shakespearean sonnet is always closed by a couplet. Whereas Petrarch presented his problem in the octave and gives the solution in the sestet, Shakespeare continued his problem describing up to the 12th line. That means in the first 3 quatrains he presents his problem, and in the last couplet Shakespeare gives the solution he faced in the first 12 lines. So, like this way, Shakespearean sonnet is developed, and Shakespearean sonnet actually Shakespeare gave an extra dimension to sonnets in the history of English literature. Now, if we go to the rhyme scheme of Petrarchan sonnet, Shakespearean sonnet, and Spenserian sonnet, we can say that a Petrarchan sonnet can be divided into 2 parts, as I have already told, octave and sestet. And Petrarch always followed a rhyme scheme of A B B A B B A, C D C D E, or C D C D C D. This is the rhyme scheme that Petrarch followed in his sonnet. However, the rhyme scheme of Shakespearean sonnet is quite different from that of Petrarch. Shakespeare always followed the rhyme scheme of A B, C D C D, E F E F, and Z Z. And another sonnetarian, one of the prominent sonnetarian of English literature is Edmund Spenser. His sonnets are known as Spenserian sonnet. Spenserian sonnet is quite different from that of Petrarch and that of Shakespeare. So, this is all about, I have told about sonnet and its origin. I think even though I could not cover all the characteristics, all about sonnet, even then, I think I have just given a gist what a sonnet is and about its origin. So, I have a question. I think you would correctly answer it. Will anyone tell what a sonnet is, as I have told you? Okay, I will say once again, I will repeat it. Sonnet is a short lyric poem that has 14 lines. So, it is a kind of poem that has 14 lines. It's a very short poem. So that is the basic answer to this question, what a sonnet is. So I have another question. If you can answer, try to answer it. Can anyone tell me what is the rhyme scheme of a Shakespearean sonnet? Can you tell me? Okay, no matter, I will answer this. A Shakespearean sonnet, the rhyme scheme is quite different from that of Petrarchan sonnet. As I have told you earlier, Shakespearean sonnet always follow the rhyme scheme of A B A B, C D C D, E F E F, and Z Z. Z Z is the couplet. That means the sonnet is always cleansed by a couplet. And here in the couplet, Shakespeare presents the solution. And up to the 12th line, he presents his problem. So any doubt? Okay, so with this word, I conclude my topic. Thank you once again.